Launch X431 IMMO Plus clone GM6T50 Gearbox on bench. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, your go-to spot for everything on automobile diagnostics. Before we dive in, I have a quick favor to ask. If you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button, ring the bell for updates, and stick around till the end so you don't miss a thing. And if you enjoy the content, a super thanks would mean the world to us. Let's get started. How to clone a 6T50 transmission control module using Launch X431 IMMO Plus. Cloning a 6T50 transmission control module, TCM, for a 2014 Chevrolet Camaro or similar GM models is essential when replacing a transmission with a used one. This guide outlines the step-by-step process using the Launch X431 IMMO Plus. The procedure is applicable to other GM transmission models, including 6L45, 6L50, 6L80, 6L90, 6T30, 6T35, 6T40, 6T45, and 6T70. Required equipment: Launch X431 IMMO Plus, X-Prog 3 Programmer, MCU3 Adapter, purchased separately, required for Global A modules. Power supply for the MCU3 unit. VCI hardware, connected via USB to the tablet. Internet connection for secure login. Step-by-step procedure. 1. Initial setup. 1. Connect the VCI hardware to the tablet via USB. 2. Attach the MCU3 adapter to the X-Prog 3 programmer. 3. Connect the adapter leads to the TCM connector on the back of the original transmission. 4. Power the MCU3 unit and VCI. 2. Back up the original TCM data. 1. Open the IMMO function on the tablet. 2. Follow the provided wiring diagram to verify correct connections. 3. Select Gearbox, GM, Transmission 6T50. 4. Ensure an active internet connection. Then hit Connect to establish a secure login. 5. Once connected, start backing up complete data. 6. Allow the process to read and save the flash data. 7. Save the backup file. 3. Prepare the replacement transmission. 1. Disconnect the adapter leads from the original TCM. 2. Install the replacement transmission into the vehicle. 3. Gain access to the TCM connector by removing support brackets, if necessary. 4. Connect the adapter leads to the replacement TCM as per the wiring diagram. 4. Restore the original data to the replacement TCM. 1. Open the IMMO function and connect to the replacement TCM. 2. Back up the donor module's data as a precaution. Save this file. 3. Select Restore Complete Data and choose the backup file from the original TCM. 4. Write the flash data to the replacement TCM. 5. Wait for the process to complete and verify that all data is successfully restored. 5. Final steps. 1. Disconnect all connections. 2. Ensure the vehicle is reassembled and the replacement transmission is properly installed. 3. Test the vehicle to confirm the cloned TCM functions correctly. Notes and tips. Always back up both the original and donor module data to avoid potential issues. Ensure stable power and internet connections throughout the process. The MCU3 adapter is necessary for Global A modules, but not all TCMs require it. By following this process, you can efficiently clone and transfer data to a replacement TCM, ensuring compatibility and functionality in the vehicle. Thanks so much for watching till the end. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. I'd love to hear from you. And before you go, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss future videos. If you'd like to show extra support, go ahead and tap that super thanks button. Until next time, happy diagnosing.